If you're looking for a compact router that delivers smooth performance, precise control, and reliable durability, you're in the right place. In this video, we're reviewing the 6 best compact routers that balance power, size, and versatility for woodworkers of all levels. Whether you're trimming edges, carving details, or working on cabinetry projects, these routers can handle it with ease. Check the description for all product links, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Let's jump straight into the list. At number 6, we have the Bosch corded electric router. This corded electric router delivering impressive power and precision in a small, easy-to-handle design. With a strong 1.25 horsepower motor and variable speed control ranging from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, this tool gives you the performance needed for everything from decorative edging to hinge mortising and more. If you want serious rooting power without the bulk of a full-sized machine, this model is built for you. One of its biggest advantages is the ergonomic palm grip design, complete with soft grip comfort. This ensures excellent control during detailed work, reducing fatigue during long woodworking sessions. The compact aluminum base adds durability and stability while keeping weight manageable. Bosch also includes smart features like soft start circuitry to reduce startup torque and constant response technology to maintain steady speed under load, meaning cleaner, more precise cuts every time. Plus, with microfine depth adjustment and included straight edge guide, this kit gives you professional-grade accuracy right out of the box. A dependable pick for hobbyists and pros alike. At number 5, we have the ZUYIYI Cordless Compact Wood Router. The ZUYIYI Cordless Compact Wood Router is an excellent choice for anyone who wants power, freedom, and precision in one lightweight package. Designed to work with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, this router gives you true cordless convenience. No cables to trip over, no outlet limitations, just smooth and flexible routing anywhere you need to work. Whether you're in the workshop, garage, or working outdoors, this router keeps up effortlessly. Its brushless motor delivers impressive performance with speeds up to 28,000 RPM, giving you clean, controlled cuts across a wide range of materials. With 6 adjustable speed settings, you can tailor performance depending on your project, perfect for both delicate finishes and heavy-duty trimming. The quick-release cam lock system and rack and pinion depth control make adjustments incredibly easy, eliminating the frustration of manual screw tightening. You get precision, speed, and efficiency in every move. Built with durable metal components and a comfortable soft grip, the ZUYIYI router is ideal for furniture work, cabinetry edging, DIY crafting, and more. Lightweight, cordless, and powerful, this compact router is ready to elevate your woodworking game. At number 4, we have the TEENO Wood Router. The TEENO Wood Router delivers impressive performance in a compact, lightweight design, making it a great choice for anyone looking to level up their woodworking setup without overspending. Powered by an 800-watt motor with a maximum speed of 31,000 RPM, this router provides the strength needed for smooth edging, trimming, grooving, and finishing. Whether you're handling DIY home projects or cabinet detailing, this tool brings reliable cutting power right to your workspace. One standout feature is its transparent base and protective cover, giving you a clear line of sight while controlling sawdust for cleaner and more precise results. This means improved accuracy and a more enjoyable working experience. The router's ergonomic design also ensures comfort and control. The rubberized grip and stable fixed base help you keep your hands steady during detailed cuts, reducing fatigue over longer sessions. Versatile, easy to use, and capable of handling a wide range of woodworking tasks, the TEENO Wood Router offers great value and performance. Perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, and craftsmen looking for efficient and dependable results. At number 3, we have the MtiolHig Cordless Compact Router. The MtiolHig Cordless Compact Router is designed for woodworkers who want power, precision, and total freedom of movement. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, this router lets you work anywhere. No cords, no outlet limits, just smooth routing whether you're in the workshop or on a job site. If mobility and convenience matter to you, this tool checks every box. Powered by an 800-watt brushless motor, it delivers up to 30,000 RPM for fast, clean, and efficient cuts. The brushless design also means quieter operation, less heat, and longer motor life. Plus, built-in low voltage and overheat protection help keep your work safe and worry-free. With 6 adjustable speed settings, you can fine-tune performance for edging, grooving, carving, or finishing, making this router versatile for all kinds of woodworking projects. The aluminum base adds superior stability and precision, allowing for smoother control. To top it off, it includes a full accessory kit with guides, bits, and a dust port, giving you everything you need to start creating pro-quality woodwork right away. At number 2, we have the Bosch GKF18V. This cordless power rotor is a powerhouse designed for woodworkers who want professional performance without being tied to a cord. Featuring a brushless motor delivering up to 1.39 peak horsepower and a variable speed range from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, this compact router handles everything from delicate detailing to heavy trimming with smooth precision. If you're looking for cordless freedom with pro-level power, this model is built to impress. Its ergonomic palm grip design offers comfort and control in both vertical and horizontal positions, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, and detailed edge work. The precision depth adjustment system allows fine-tuning in 1/64-inch increments, ensuring clean, accurate results every time. Bosch takes practicality even further with fast flip and release bit changes, minimizing downtime and keeping your workflow efficient. And thanks to the dust extraction system with vacuum adapters and a chip shield, your workspace stays cleaner and safer, especially useful during long projects. Safety features like drop detection and restart protection give you peace of mind, while AMP Share battery compatibility makes this tool even more convenient. Powerful, portable, and engineered for accuracy, this rotor is built for serious creators. And finally, at number 1, we have the AVID Power 6.5 amp compact router. This 6.5 amp 1.25 horsepower compact router is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their woodworking tool setup with reliable power, precision, and versatility, all in one compact design. With a 6.5 amp motor delivering up to 1.25 horsepower and a variable speed range of 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, this rotor adapts easily to different materials and techniques. Whether you're trimming edges, shaping decorative profiles, or handling cabinetry tasks, this tool provides consistent performance and smooth results. What makes this rotor especially user-friendly is its rack and pinion depth adjustment system, ensuring precise cutting depth every time. Plus, the dual LED lights illuminate your workspace, making it easier to see fine details, even in low-light environments. The rubber-covered handle ensures comfort during longer projects, while the quick locking system allows fast, hassle-free base adjustments. Durability is also a key highlight. The aluminum body and base deliver long-term sturdiness, and the included dust hood helps keep your workspace cleaner for better visibility and less cleanup. Even better, the package includes 5 router bits, edge guide, roller guide, colettes, and a wrench, making this kit ready to use right out of the box. Powerful, precise, and packed with value, this compact router is a tool you'll keep reaching for, project after project. And that wraps up our look at the 6 best compact routers. Each of these tools brings its own strengths, whether you need precision trimming, smooth edging, or powerful shaping for woodworking projects. If you found a router here that matches your workflow, be sure to check the links below for current pricing and more details. Your support means a lot and helps us continue bringing clear, useful product breakdowns. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like, and feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.